In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear inside door handle on this Mercury Grand Marquis. This will cover the year range between 2003 and 2011. The door handle is located right on the inside door panel right here. Let's get started. With the door open, let's start removing our inside door handle. Use a small pocket screwdriver. Come right over to this trap door and pop it open. Behind that area, you'll find one mounting bolt holding this in place. Use a T27 Torx bit to remove it. With the screw out of there, we'll continue on with a plastic trim tool so we do not damage anything. Carefully come up along the top here and you can pull this down and remove it from the vehicle. There it is, friends. Let's put this into position. Should slide right in. Continue on with your Torx head screw. Start it in by hand and snug it up. Install your trap door. Now let's test our inside door handle. We'll do this by using a rod. I'm just going to use the back side of a ratchet. Come right inside this area and press it in. At this point, the latch thinks that it's completely shut. Now we'll take this and I'm going to stick it in here and try to pull it towards me. Perfect. Now that we know it functions properly, let's go ahead and close the door and test it one final time. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.